Hi, I'm Carol Reve, and thanks for stopping by my video. I want to talk a little bit today about Global Domains Int. Great company it is. They updated, so the websites are much nicer than what they were. The templates were very old before. They're very good. It's a good company, been well over 20 years. It's paid single month without fail. I think I've been in it like 7 years now or so, or more. And I've made over thousands of dollars with it. Now, you're not, let me just be frank with you with this, okay? The chances is you're not going to get rich with this, but you can earn an extra income with GDI. For you to add GDI to your arsenal of or your portfolio of programs that you're in. And my domain is, I have my marketing, it is forwarded to my marketing system, okay? But let me say that for now, that if you want to if you're just looking to add GDI by itself, just use this page. If you're just talking to people and gonna send them to this, I would forward this page to your domain. Make sure your domain name is short, easy to remember, like mine is carol.ws. Maybe yours is sue.ws or join with sue.ws. Either way, make it something easy that you can remember, that other people can remember. Easy, because if you're on Twitter or you're on Facebook or another social media talking to somebody and they say, send me your link, and you're, let's say, at the beach or you're at the playground watching your kids, or like I am watching my granddaughter, you know, you don't always have a chance to get right back there and grab your link. Now, what is that link? And you don't want to send a long affiliate link. That's the whole point of the .ws domain name. So it's short and it's sweet and it's easy to remember. And so do that. Do something that is short and sweet. And if you don't have any kind of, I know GDI has other capture pages and other things like that, but if you're just like talking to somebody random about, they need a domain, they need a website builder, this is just $10 a month. It's always and forever been only $10 a month. And the website builder is nice. Take your time getting used to it. It's drop and drag technology. Okay. And then you get the domain name. You also get professional email that you set all set up. And what nothing else gives you, nobody else that gives you with a domain or a website builder, is a way to make income on the side. Okay. And so again, I would use the mind frame that you're going to be able, if you work at it and put some work and effort into it, you can make some extra money with this. I have over the years. There's some months I've done really good, and there's, months where I haven't advertised it. And to be quite frank, if you don't advertise, you're not going to build this. Okay, so you need to find some advertising. I have in my marketing system, I have advertising that has worked for me. I even have a free resource in there that is stupendous, I want to say, but it takes time. If you're using free marketing or organic marketing like YouTube, Twitter, other social media, LinkedIn, whichever social media you use, if you're using that, it will take time to grow and to build an audience, a following, people that are going to watch you, okay? Now, if you use paid advertising, that goes much faster, but it's more expensive, okay? So, and especially solo ads. Solo ads can be expensive, so please be careful of those. Talk to your vendors before you send solo ads out. Maybe they can give you a special first-time price so you can try it for the first time. If they say no, okay, at least you gave it a shot. But this is the page that I would use to just send to somebody that you're talking to. Okay, so this is a great video. This gives you the income calculator. Now I know it's just get 5 by 5, unless you have a huge following, you know. But for the most part, just look at GDI as an opportunity to make some extra income with, okay? And you get your domain, and you get a nice website that you can put together. Maybe you want to, and it's also web hosting, or for the hosting. So you can, you know, maybe you have a music lessons you want to do or set up, or a bakery that you're putting up. You can set up your website for your bakery on this. You can advertise and set it up on this. Okay? There's so many different things you can do with this website. Okay? About it, I would send them again to this page. Now, if you're advertising to cold traffic, like so different things like that, use a capture page. Okay, if you want to use GDI's capture, that's okay. May I do a bit of a warning that the capture pages have been there a while, like years, okay? So people have seen them, they know them, unless they're brand new online, okay? So my suggestion is to use your own capture page, use something that brands yourself, that you can put your own programs in there, and use something so that you can grow multiple income streams. Now realize that not everybody's going to join you in everything you're in, but maybe you're in 5 different things, and maybe they join you, besides in GDI, they join you on something else. You know, what happens is sometimes people join other, like, I just got out of I knew it was a risk, you know, crypto project that I was in, and it had collapsed and folded, and took, you know, money and a lot of other people's money with it. Now what happens is, when that happens, is then people go back to look at a company that's been around 20 years, that's been paying, if it's only $10, okay, and they were in GDI, chances are, years ago, and they've decided, well, I want to do it again. And I get it. You know, it's a safe business. It's a safe program. This is a safe company. This is as safe as you're going to get. And it's only $10. So if you're a first time and you haven't had a business, this is a good business to cut your teeth on. Okay, $10. I would not stop there, though. Continue learning, continue shelf. The biggest thing you're going to need to learn on is what advertising programs work, and what advertising, you know, free advertising, do you have enough time to do, and do you have a budget set aside so you can do some paid advertising. Okay, so this is, when you join me with GDI, this is what I'm going to send you, my GDI resource page. Now I have a second program here, which is a very solid program, much like GDI. I feel it's going to be around just as long as GDI. Now that's just my fear. Okay, they have very good products, which is Live Good. I'll let you take a look at that if you want to. Okay, now that would be like a second income stream. Lead Sleep is the marketing system that I use, okay, to set all of this up. And I have training on how to set all of this up, okay? Videos, everything out there from A to Z that you would need. And that's your third income stream. Okay, do you see where I'm going with this? Now, to give you an idea, Live Good is $10. There's a $40 affiliate commission to set it up, though, but then it's just $10 a month, and it has really great products. So if you use some of the product that Live Good offers, if you use supplements and sleeping aids and different things like that, then yes, by all means, get into it. If you're looking for another solid program to be in that's going to be around, and that I've been in this since February, and it's paid me every month faithfully all the time. There's never been any question with this. Okay, it's a good paying, and Lead Sleep is amazing. I love this as a capture. It has a great page builders. It has capture page system. I can give you share codes, and you can set up all the capture pages that you also, when you're on GDI, you get added to, where is it? our team rotator right there. Okay, he adds you to a rotator. Now don't go thinking that that's going to build your whole thing. It's not going to. It's just going to give you some free advertising sent to you, okay? Chances are it's going to give you free advertising. If you get 1 or 2 signups a year from it, that would be good. Okay, so I'm just putting it out there and being totally transparent about this, okay? This page that I use, and right here, okay? And this is a video that goes over my sales page and what it all entails. This is, again, the Leads Leap. This is 7 months worth of professionally written emails. You're welcome. And I actually broke this down in because I own the retail because I bought it. So I'm now choosing to sell it only for $15. I'll take either Bitcoin or PayPal, like other kind of cryptocurrency, but I'm not in all these other different Zelle and all the other things. But most everybody has PayPal. And for $15 is all. Okay, and then here is complete and total training from A to Z on Leads Leap. And these are mine. If you're experienced with Leads Leap, but you need a refresher course, mine would be good to use for that. Here's my traffic resources, passive ones, which are very affordable, premium paid ones, which are more affordable, but they can be careful, and then the free organic, which are going to just take time. Okay, and then here's spend recommended. I got Live Good right there. That's GDI. This is an advertising business I've been just in, advertising company, and if I have a budget for solo ads, I would use this before I would do solo ads, because this traffic really converts. It's very good. And then a cycler, if you like cyclers. If you do. But that's that. And let me just show you, I of course have a video on how to, and this just give you an idea. This is one of the capture pages, and I give share codes to the capture pages that I have. Okay, yeah, this is just literally a share code. And Leads Leap also allows you to do pay-per-clicks, where you can earn a little bit extra from that. And you know, if you don't want to do Live Good, just simply remove this line. That's all. Okay. When you get, because this also has a share code for the resource page. So you're getting, as you can see from this, there is, you know, 1, 2, and then probably some, and then you can add as many of these as you things, put different things on this. The point is for you to brand yourself. And I'll show you one of my, is what I mean. Now I do have the video, but you can easily do a video just talking about the page once you get it all set up. Basically all I'm doing is going through the page and telling them what it is. Now I wouldn't take them to the actions, because you want them to opt in to get to the resources. And this is branding you. Your picture, your name is on there. Okay. Of course, this is my payment proofs from a couple of the programs that I'm in. But it's to catch. Okay. And it's an awesome company, really. I really encourage it. If you hadn't been into it, get into it now. And yeah, it's as safe can be. You know, no guarantee, of course, that you're going to make money. But like I said, I've been very happy with GDI for many years now. Okay. Thank you, and God bless. And have a Merry Christmas.